Hey, it's Brian from PermaGreen. Talk about innovation. Are you up on the spring adjuster kit? It's new at PermaGreen. Come on in, Dan. This is so cool here. This is now standard on assembly on all new PermaGreens as we build them today. But the cool thing is you can put it on an older Triumph, any old Triumph. And what it's going to do is going to put more tension on this spring. You ever been on a lawn and maybe your spring is getting old and it's stretched and you lose it on the property? Well, it's going to be less likely to happen with this. I'll show you how it works. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the spring off. Get that out of the way, let it hang. So now in the kit, you're going to get this triangular shaped bracket. I'll show you how it works. You're going to take note of where you're at right now. See that how much gap we have right here? Slide this back a little bit. Look how much gap we have now. So we're putting that much more tension on the spring. You're already thinking about this, aren't you? You're going, wow, I'm not going to lose springs. Tighten that one back up. Take your spring, we're going to hook it back up. Like that, and now you're putting that much more tension on the spring itself. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. Take a look down here, Dan. Instructions on how to install it, and then these fine parts. People are calling for it already. You see that? It's a hot seller. Here are the parts. Gonna get another dampener. The bracket itself. S-hook. If you want to buy this kit online, T449998. T449998. You can buy it online at permagreen.com. Do it that way or call us at 800-346-2001. You believe that? This is a game changer. Spring adjuster kit. Get one for your Triumph today. Only from PermaGreen.